So I built these workbenches a couple years ago in my Rhode Island shop out of a couple dozen pallets. Now these benches are rock solid, but there's been one thing I've been meaning to add to these, and that's a bench vise. So I'm gonna make a sliding moxon style vise along the edge of one of my workbenches. But I'm gonna make that out of pallet wood as well, because apparently that's what we do around here. So I'm gonna start by cutting off the edge of this bench here, and then I'm gonna do one of my classic pallet laminations and turn it into a bench vise. Now with the overhang on the bench cut off, I just need to keep working it until it is flat and square so that the bench vise lines up perfectly with the edge of the table. Check this out, I found this beautiful birch pallet wood. So I have decided to do the responsible thing and hide it under the bench where nobody will ever see it. Now to support this bench vise, I'm using pipe clamps with 3/4 inch galvanized pipe supporting it. And to drill the holes I had to order a special 1 1/16 inch Forstner bit. Now this exactly matches the diameter of the pipe. Thanks for watching. This is my new bench vise made using pipe clamps and built entirely from pallet wood, of course. This was a modification that I made to my existing pallet wood workbenches that I built a couple of years ago. I actually just put some plans together for this workbench, including the optional bench vise. I'll be sure to link that on screen as well, and check all the links down in the description for everything relating to this project. Tools and materials on this build will be linked down below. And while you're at it, go check out my kit. I took the time to fill that up with categorized list of all the top tools that I recommend and use in my shop all the time, and even my camera gear. So if you're ever wondering what I'm using, you can probably find it in my kit. All right, that should keep you busy for a little while. Thank you for watching. See you next time.